Quick tip, take the inch test when you install your car seat or base to make sure that it is tightly installed to your vehicle. That means the seat should move less than 1 inch side to side and front to back at the belt path when you check it with the force of a firm handshake. So for an infant seat base, you're going to grab it at the belt path where the seat belt or the latch belt goes through it. Use the force of a firm handshake and look for less than 1 inch of movement side to side and front to back. Do not grab it out here at the head of the base to check for movement. For a rear-facing convertible or all-in-one car seat, again, check only at the belt path where the latch belt or seat belt goes through the car seat and use the force of a firm handshake. Looking for less than 1 inch of movement side to side and front to back. Do not grab it out here at the head to check for movement. And for a forward-facing convertible, combination, or all-in-one car seat in harnessed mode, check at the belt path where that seat belt or latch belt goes through it. Again, with the force of a firm handshake, looking for less than 1 inch of movement side to side and front to back. Do not grab it up here at the head or out here at the front by the armrests and cup holders, only at the belt path. And for those forward-facing car seats, once you have that tight installation at the belt path, don't forget to go around back and attach and tighten your top tether. A loose installation is one of the most common mistakes we see with car seats. So take the inch test, looking for less than 1 inch of movement side to side and front to back when you check the car seat at the belt path with the force of a firm handshake. Always read and follow your car seat and vehicle owner's manuals and get help from a CPST like me if you have questions.